Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called Soul Lanterns. 12-year-old Nozomi lives in the Japanese city of Hiroshima. She wasn't even born when the bombing of Hiroshima took place. Every year, Nozomi joins her family at the lantern floating ceremony to honor those lost in the bombing. People write the names of their deceased loved ones along with messages of peace on paper lanterns and set them afloat on the river. This year, Nozomi realizes that her mother always releases one lantern with no name. She begins to ask questions, and when complicated stories of loss and loneliness unfold, Nozomi and her friends come up with a creative way to share their loved ones' experiences. By opening people's eyes to the struggles they all keep hidden, the project teaches the entire community new ways to show compassion. Soul Lanterns is an honest exploration of what happened on August 6, 1945, and offers a glimpse not only into the rich cultural history of Japan, but also into the lives of those who recognize the urgent need for peace. This is one moving story I'm sure you will love if you are on the lookout for incredible historical fiction. The next book is The Initial Insult. Tressa's family used to mean something, until she didn't have a family anymore. When her parents disappeared 7 years ago while driving her best friend home, Tress lost everything. The entire town shuns her now that she lives with her drunken, one-eyed grandfather at what locals refer to as the White Trash Zoo. Felicity has it all: looks, money, and a secret. One misstep could send her tumbling from the top of the social ladder, and she's worked hard to make everyone forget that she was with Tressa's parents the night they disappeared. Felicity has buried what she knows so deeply that she can't even remember what it is, only that she can't look at Tress without feeling shame and guilt. But Tress has a plan. A Halloween costume party at an abandoned house provides the ideal situation for Tress to pry the truth from Felicity, brick by brick, as she slowly seals her former best friend into a coal chute. Tress will have her answers, or settle for revenge. This book draws inspiration from Edgar Allan Poe's The Cask of Amontillado and delivers a dark mystery and alternating points of view that unravels a friendship forevermore. Perfect for fans of One of Us is Lying and Truly Devious. The last book I will tell you about is called Real. Charity is 13 years old. Actually, 13 years plus 87 days. She loves sour gummies and pepperoni pizza. That last part no one knows because she's not spoken a sentence since she was born. Each dawning day, she lives in terror of her unpredictable body that no one understands. Charity may have mad math skills and a near-perfect memory, but with a mouth that can't speak and a body that jumps, rocks, and howls unpredictably, most people incorrectly assume she can't learn. Her brain works differently from most people's because of her autism, but she's still funny, determined, and kind. So why do people treat her like a disease or ignore her like she's invisible? When Charity's parents enroll her in a public junior high school, she faces her greatest fears. Will kids make fun of her? Will her behavior get her kicked out? Will her millions of thoughts stay locked in her head forever? With the support of teachers and newfound friends, Charity will have to fight to be treated like a real student. This book is inspired by a true story and speaks to all those who have ever felt they didn't belong, and reminds readers that all people are worthy of being included. This is one excellent book, perfect if you liked Wonder or Out of My Mind. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day!